particles P and Q describe SHM of same amplitude A, same frequency F along the same straight line. The maximum difference between the two particles is A root 2. The maximum distance between the two particles is A root 2. The phase difference between the particles is, उन दो particles के बीच का phase difference क्या होगा? So their frequencies are same, their amplitudes are same, okay, and the maximum distance between them is given. Maximum distance मतलब x1 minus x2. So suppose x1 is A sine omega t, then x2 will be A sine omega t plus delta, whereas delta is the phase difference. दोनों का phase difference है delta. या आप इसको ऐसे भी ले सकते हो, A sin omega t plus alpha 1, A sin omega t plus alpha 2. So phase difference will be alpha 1 minus alpha 2. कैसे भी चलता. This is simpler. So first equation is A sin omega t. Second equation is A sin omega t plus delta, whereas delta is the phase difference. Now the maximum distance between them is given. So you can say x1 minus x2, the distance between them, x1 minus x2, will be equal to A sine omega t minus A sine omega t plus delta. Is it right? That is equal to A will be common. अंदर क्या बचेगा? Sine omega t minus sine omega t plus delta. This is sine c minus sine d, which is 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sine c minus sine d. So this will be A into bracket sine c plus d by 2 omega t plus delta c plus d by 2. Sorry, 2 रह गया यहाँ पर. 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d omega t minus delta by 2. 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So this will be 2a. This can come out because this is bracket multiplication. 2a sine omega t plus omega t, 2 omega t plus delta by 2 into cos omega t minus omega t gets cancelled. Cos minus delta is cos delta. Cos minus theta is cos theta upon 2. This is the distance between the two particles. x1 minus x2, that is distance between the two particles. And it is said that the maximum distance is A root 2. Maximum distance कितना है? A root 2. ये distance maximum कब होगा? When either sine will be equal to 1 or cos will be equal to 1. क्योंकि sine की maximum value कितनी होती है? 1. Cos की maximum value कितनी होती है? 1. So this is maximum distance. Distance maximum है. इसका मतलब ये कि either sine is 1 or cos is 1. हम दोनों में से कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. But we have to find delta. So we will take maximum value of sine as 1. So A root 2, ये concept समझ लो अच्छी तरह से. ये value maximum कब होगी? जब ये value maximum होगी. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक पूरा maximum होगा. ये maximum कब होगा? When either sine will be equal to 1 or cos will be equal to 1. So we are taking sine as equal to 1. So we can say that A root 2 is equal to 2a. इसको हमने लिया 1, sine of this angle as 1. बचा क्या? Cos delta by 2. Correct? This A and A gets cancelled. So now cos of delta by 2 will be equal to root 2 upon 2. Root 2 upon 2 means 1 by root 2. √2/2, that is 1 by √2. किस एंगल का cos 1 by √2 होता है? 45 डिग्री का. Means this angle delta by 2 is 45 degree. Means delta is equal to 90 degree. Means there is a phase difference of 90 degree or pi by 2 radians. So your answer is B, pi by 2 radians.